This is my iPad2, and I've tried every single way to try to get Hulu to work on my iPad. Previously, I could use Hulu by purchasing it through the purchase tab over here, typing in Hulu, then installing it this way. You could, in the past, you could install it, but I think they block it completely now. You see. And also, if you happen to have it installed, they'll give you this message, similar message, when you try to log in. So someone suggested using a browser to view it in desktop mode. Unfortunately, on an old iPad2, if I open Chrome and go to request desktop mode, if I try to log into Hulu, it'll tell me that this browser isn't supported also, so that method didn't work. Pretty much can't use Hulu at all. It's very frustrating because other apps like Netflix, Amazon Prime Video work,